Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary. Welcome back with the binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on a Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, almost weekend. Friday, January the 17th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles is remaining. The 4 stars, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the binary. Binary puzzle number 9925. 9925. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Well, could be another one. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. A binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box will be an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes in O. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we will have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.